Welcome. It's Facts You Don't Know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more, well, and first make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss anything.
Broken-hearted man finds stray kitten on doorstep. After a breakup, he found a surprise awaiting him on his doorstep when a guy was left broken-hearted. After a really messy breakup, I was in my room, crying. I don't know why I went outside, but when I did, this little kitty ran to get out of the heat in my apartment. I have trouble with separation, and there was no way I could do that to him. Meet my first ever pet, and his name is Fajita. It was a really hot day, and he darted inside to avoid the heat as soon as the tiny kitten saw the door open. Hoping this would help him cool down, the man filled a bowl with cold water. He had no cat food, so he trimmed some fajita meat and added it to the bowl. The starving kitten straight wolfed it down. That's why he called the cat Fajita, since they shared the first meal. I wanted to take the kitty to my vet after I heard a sneeze and went on Facebook to get advice from my friends. The man went to the store to buy a cat carrier to carry him to the vet, and the little kitty waited patiently for him to return. To get him into the carrier, I had to win the cat's trust, so when we were alone together waiting for the vet to come into the room, we were bonding. He told Love Meow. They found that Fajita was not microchipped, that he was very underweight because of his age, that his eyes were shut due to conjunctivitis, and that he had an upper respiratory infection. Little Fajita was finally getting the support he desperately needed. After washing his eyes, they put him on antibiotics. When the two came back from the vet, Fajita leapt into the man's lap and claimed it for his own. I looked down and said, "Would you like to be my cat?" Right back, the kitty meowed and the guy burst into tears. They both needed someone and were there just at the right time for each other. The breakup made me feel so sad and confused. His little meow once again filled my heart with affection. It would seem that this relationship was meant to be.
Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.